Hello everyone and welcome to the eBay Dropshipping Academy, the ultimate arbitrage mastery class. This is your complete guide to dropshipping success, learned from experienced professional myself who has been selling on eBay, and I'm going to be teaching you all my secrets, how I make money online, and you can do so as well. So this course has been updated for the year 2019. There is thousands of students who are enrolled in it, plus many people who leave excellent reviews for the class as well. And you can leave your review as well too once you get into and become one of those students that are happy inside and making money today with dropshipping arbitrage. So why should you enroll in this class? First of all, you are learning from an experienced instructor, somebody who has been doing it. And I'm going to be teaching you using my account how you can go ahead and make money with online arbitrage in every possible way, especially when it comes to dropshipping. This class actually includes some of the most comprehensive and largest information that you will find anywhere else about dropshipping. 105 different lectures, constantly updated, 8.5 hours of content, lots of extras, and how you can get started. Start your own profitable dropshipping business right away as soon as today. Newest and latest information are also included about dropshipping arbitrage, including a secret list of Amazon best-selling products, practical examples of real products for you to use, proven methods of success, and get instructor support from myself. Anytime you ask a question, I'm going to be answering back to you. To top it off, I also have a Facebook group that you can join. Ask me questions right away in case you have any trouble with anything that you learn in this class, including any other section. If you need a brand new lecture updated right away, please ask me. I will do so and update it for you. So this class is going to be the most awesomest course you ever been. There is no membership sites required for you to join. The only investment you actually need to make is to enroll in this course yourself. So what else do you get here? Well, first of all, let's take a look what this actual course is all about. The first thing you get when you're just getting started is going to tell you why should you join the academy, including my actual earning statement and earning proof. Then we're going to go into dive right into the course introduction and essentials. Over here, we're going to be talking about the blueprint to your success, word of advice, how to pick your screen name, and assignments to get you started, including #1 assignment. Then, we are moving into the foundation to the success, including exploring the seller dashboard, learning about feedbacks, star rating, reviews, and how to increase them as well. After that, we are moving into the getting started blueprint. This is over 1 hour of content for you, where I show you how to dropship the products, picking the actual products, starting a dropshipping listing, and creating a dropshipping test, including ordering a sample product in case you're interested to get your hands on an actual product and demonstrate it to your clients. After that, we're going to go and explore guide to arbitrage. Anything you need to know about doing online arbitrage, how you do it, where you find the products, and the whole concepts about. After that, we are moving into the dropshipping secrets. And over here, we are going to be exploring eBay marketplace research, eBay best-selling list, including how to do online research on the products before you go ahead and list them. This is an essential shortcut that's going to save you a lot of time before you get started selling actual products on eBay. After that, we are going to be moving into finding the actual products to sell, including what products you can sell on eBay, which products to watch out for, and how not to get banned from eBay. So this is very important section as well. Every section is important, but the way this class is actually designed, it is showing you how to do it step by step of the way, and you can skip to any section anytime you actually like. Also, starting an eBay store, very important as well. Now, instead of just having 50 products, now you can have over 250 products. With more products, you're going to have more sales, and it's going to exponentially increase your income. I definitely recommend for you to check out this section as well. After that, we are going to be moving into shipping, tracking, and insurance. How you go ahead and manage and use shipping and tracking, in order to set it up, including setting up global shipping service too. Then we are going to be moving into customer service, sales, and performance, how to deal with your clients and how to make sure everybody who is ordering from you are 100% satisfied with it. Then one of the most funnest portions of this class is going to be exploring actual dropshipping websites. And those are actually sites that are not really dropshipping per se, but those are retail sites that you can go into and you can buy the product from them, and how to use this specific method in order to use those certain websites, and you can use any websites you actually like. So the whole concept here is going to be explained to you, including how you pick the products, use them, and drop shipping them to your clients. After that, we are going to be moving into drop shipping with Amazon. A lot of people really want to know how you can find products on Amazon and drop ship and make money with it. And you can do it as well by learning how to do it in this class. Then we are moving into fast profits, zero risk, how to make money, making money without having any money upfront. It is a very cool section as well. Check it out. Product sourcing, how to source products and how to make money with them. And then we're moving to individualized specific examples. This is an ongoing section where I'm going to be actually putting some products up for sale, show you how I do it with them and how you make money with those potential products. Then we're going to be checking out some membership sites in case you're interested in actually becoming a member of a membership site. This is super not required for you to do, but some people want to do it this way, so why not include it in this class? Then of course we are going to go into how to start your own actual business. If you already are becoming successful in this business, you might as well learn more about. I also have in this class the podcast actual section here as well. So it's going to talk about podcasting and things just like that. And lastly, there's going to be supplemental material here too. Lots of extra content for you. How to deal with returns, how to cashback with cashback sites, and dropshipping trustful sites, including advanced knowledge library. With this knowledge library, you can go ahead and find shortcuts to a lot of easy to access places for you and lots of things that you will be doing constantly on eBay. So I decided to include everything in one basic file for you to use. So overall, here you have it, one of the most comprehensive and best courses on this topic ever created on Udemy. Why don't you go ahead and enroll in this class? I'll be right here sitting by your side, trying to teach you one-on-one how to become one of the most best and ever successful people who is going to be making money using eBay dropshipping arbitrage. See you on the inside, and I can't wait to get started teaching you how to make money with eBay and dropshipping.